In this video, I'll show you a legit way to get Telegram stars for free. While most people say it's not possible, there is a real way. Stay tuned to find out how. First, open your Telegram app. From the sidebar, go to Settings. Now, in the Settings section, scroll down until you see the option called Stars. Click on it. Here you'll see a button labeled Buy Stars. Click on it and you'll find different amounts of stars available to purchase. You'll also notice options like Redeem Code. Here's the trick. Many Google services like Google Opinion Rewards and Google Cloud provide redeem codes during their sale seasons. These codes can sometimes be bought for just a fraction of their value, so keep an eye out for such deals. Additionally, you can purchase stars using your credit or debit card if you prefer. But let's get to the part everyone is waiting for. How to get these stars for free. There's a newly introduced method by Telegram to earn stars without spending a single penny. Look for the option labeled Earn Stars and click on it. This feature is part of Telegram's affiliate program, which allows you to earn commissions by referring mini apps to your friends, family, or audience. Here's how. Browse through the list of mini apps. You'll notice their commission rates displayed alongside. Find an app you like, click on it, and hit Join Program. Once you've joined, copy your referral link and share it with your friends, family, or audience. When they use your link and spend on these apps, you'll earn a certain percentage as a commission. It's easy, and the best part, it's completely legit. Pro tip: look for apps that are useful to you and your circle, as this increases the chances of people using your referral link. Explore the apps and find ones with higher commission rates for maximum benefit. And that's it, guys. This is the most legit and effective way to get Telegram stars for free. No hacks, no scams, just a smart, ethical way to earn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.